Today we're going to make this honeydew sorbet that is delicious and very nutritious for a kidney-friendly diet and otherwise. It's a fruit that's in season for summer and you get a huge serving, so you will be able to have a great dessert. So let's get started on making this honeydew sorbet. Hello, welcome back to the Renal Diet HQ channel. Today we're going to make a tasty, delicious summer dessert that is also kidney-friendly. So our ingredients for our honeydew sorbet today are honeydew melon, which I've already cut and frozen. That's one of the steps. So you cut it into pieces, put it on a baking sheet, and then freeze it for 4 to 6 hours. Mine's already frozen. I've got water, I've got a little bit of honey, and a little bit of lemon juice. So we're going to put these simple 4 ingredients together and make a delicious honeydew sorbet that is so kidney friendly, you won't believe it. Now my honeydew melon, I've just taken it out of the freezer. It's been frozen for 4 to 6 hours. And I'm going to place half of that into the blender. We're also going to add the water, the honey, and the lemon juice. We're only adding half because we want the melon to blend till it's smooth, and it's easier when there's not as much in there. That's pretty smooth, so we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the honeydew melon. Scrape down any sort of sides that might have the honey stuck to it. Then we're going to blend some more. This is such a simple recipe. Okay, let's check out the consistency. It's very smooth. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour this honeydew sorbet into a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and put it in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes to let it thicken up. So I'm going to put the honeydew sorbet that I just blended into the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes, and it'll be ready to go. When it comes out, it'll be a frozen treat ready to enjoy. All right, so now it's time. Our honeydew sorbet has finished freezing in the freezer, and we're just going to scoop out. You actually get a couple scoops because it's nice and crisp. But this is actually 4 servings. You get a decent amount of sorbet. Look at that. It's delicious. It's very, very light. It tastes like just a little bit sweet honeydew. It's very good. It will quench your thirst on a hot, sunny day. Just a little bit sweet and a nice dessert. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.